The app called Tana, Notes, AI, and Voice Memos next generation all-in-one workspace, getting some traction. Meet Tana, the next generation all-in-one workspace built for AI and voice. Get started with a free 14-day trial. Instantly turn thoughts to structured, ready-to-use action items no matter where you are. So capture ideas and thoughts fast. Media uploads, text scanning, smooth offline note, and more. Record voice memos with AI transcription processing. Automatically organize notes, transform notes into actionable content like task projects and more. Access your information. And getting some good traction. There is a learning curve busted up, but it's better and more dynamic than Notion. I have bad ADHD and personal management app finally makes sense. I hope it will grow. So you can just install it in here, double click to install. And then you just basically talk to it and it kind of creates Notion style for you, but you just talk with it. And it's using its AI powers to basically organize everything for you. Full access and account start 14-day free trial. So let's open it up. Voice to article, voice to idea, voice to retro. Capture, so as you can see, camera, voice, home today, capture, so voice memo. Hey, so I wanna organize what to eat today for dinner. Maybe I will eat some pasta with tune. Should I invite some guests? I don't know yet. So I don't know. This is just a white memo, and then you can see. So then there is media, right? Voice chat. Hey, so I want to organize dinner today with 5 guests at like 6 p.m.
That sounds like a fun evening. Who are the 5 guests you're expecting?
You can create all this pretty cool stuff. So yeah, basically it's there is a task board, as you can see, meetings, but you just kind of talk to this app. So yeah, kind of the app like that, as you can see. It's not completely, like hands-free kind of AI app, but kind of like a mobile version of Notion. And some people really like it if you get used to it. There is some learning curve, but yeah, it's good.